Firas was just 4 years old, but he already had a big dream in his little heart. One sunny morning, he sat on his bedroom floor, surrounded by toys, and whispered to his teddy bear, "I want to be number one in school." His teddy bear, Mr. Fluffy, didn't say much, but Firas took his silence as a promise. Firas stood in front of the mirror, wearing his favorite red t-shirt and socks that didn't match. He puffed out his chest and looked himself in the eyes. "I will work hard every single day. I will learn my numbers and my ABCs. I will be the best." He gave himself a little high five in the mirror. At breakfast, Firas was unusually serious. He held a spoon like a pencil and poked at his cereal. "Mama, Baba," he said firmly, "I've decided to be number one in school." Mama smiled warmly. "That's wonderful, Habibi. We'll help you all the way." Baba gave him a thumbs up and added, "Let's start today." Later that day, Mama gave Firas a brand new blue notebook with a rocket on the cover. "This is your study notebook," she said, "for all your big ideas." Firas opened it carefully and, with help, wrote Firas on the first page. The letters were a little crooked, but he grinned with pride. Firas loved numbers. He counted his toy cars, his shoes, even the grapes on his plate. 1, 2, 3, for he said slowly. Every time he reached a new number, his eyes sparkled. "Numbers are like magic," he told Mr. Fluffy. "You can find them everywhere." Learning English was tricky, but fun. Firas sang the ABC song every morning. He pointed to letters on flashcards. A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat. Sometimes he made up his own funny words. D is for Dino Dance, he giggled.